Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create PayPal account without phone number. Many people try to create a PayPal account without using a phone number because of privacy concerns, regional restrictions, or simply because they don't want to attach a personal number immediately. However, there's an important reality most tutorials ignore. While you may sometimes begin the sign-up process without immediately entering a phone number, PayPal often requires phone verification later for security, identity confirmation, fraud prevention, or account recovery purposes. So this method may work temporarily during sign-up, but PayPal can still request a number later depending on your country, device, or account activity. Creating an account without a phone number does not always guarantee that PayPal will permanently let you operate the account without one. Depending on your country, security checks, risk assessment, account activity, regulatory requirements, PayPal may later ask for SMS verification, phone confirmation, and identity verification. Start by going to the official PayPal website. Click Sign Up, located at the top of the page. What this does, this starts the PayPal account creation process. Now choose whether you want a personal account or a business account. Then click Get Started. Choose your country from the list. Then click Get Started. Why country selection matters: your country affects available PayPal features, verification requirements, supported currencies, banking options, security rules. Important clarification: some countries enforce stricter identity verification rules than others. Now enter your email address. Then click Next. Insert your password. Then click Login, or continue with the sign-up process depending on the screen shown. Depending on the region and device, PayPal may allow account creation immediately or ask for additional verification steps later. To summarize, creating a PayPal account without a phone number begins by visiting the official PayPal website and clicking Sign Up. After choosing either a personal or business account and clicking Get Started, you select your country, enter your email address, and create a password to continue the sign-up process. Depending on your region and PayPal security requirements, the system may initially allow account creation without immediately requiring a phone number. However, PayPal can still request phone verification later for security, compliance, or account recovery purposes. And that's how to create a PayPal account without a phone number, at least during the initial sign-up stage if PayPal allows it in your region. The key thing to understand is that financial platforms prioritize identity verification heavily, so eventually providing additional verification details is often unavoidable if you plan to actively use the account long-term. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.